Hey guys, it is Brandon Foster from Magic Land Vacations, the travel planning genies. You know, we like to help families like you save time, save stress, save hassle, and create extra magic on those Disney and Universal destination vacations. And today, we have a complete resort walkthrough and room tour of Universal's Dockside Inn and Suites. I don't know why I said it like Texas. Here we go! I just pulled into their 20-minute parking lot and I did the online check-in process. You can opt in to receive text messages, which I totally recommend. It's absolutely amazing. A team member actually responds to you when you check in, and so
you can see that we got a message from Maya, and she said, may we send those digital hotel information and menus? Yes, Maya, that would be amazing.
Look who showed up! Maya herself actually checked me in! Isn't that amazing? See, it's actually real people like Maya that actually respond to these things, right Maya?
Yes sir, it is. It's me back there, hello.
And Maya even said they try not to let it go past
7 minutes.
7 minutes to respond. That is really, really amazing. Thank you Maya for checking me in. Appreciate it.
Come to Dockside.
This is a dining and activities guide. You can see that they have the hotel amenities right over here. And then of course, we also have the pizza delivery. You can order pizza delivery from 4 p.m. to midnight. And then where to eat and drink, we have the Pier Market. Most items under $12, so pretty affordable there. And then we have the Oasis Bar, which is the poolside bar. And then we have the Sunset Lounge, which is inside the lobby. And then we have the Wave Makers Pool Bar, which is also by the pool. Now, right after you come in, if you've done your mobile check-in, right over here you see a sign that says mobile check-in. This is where you're gonna go. It actually makes the process go so much quicker. I actually skipped like 10 people in line because I'd already done the mobile check-in, but this is where you go. We're trying to tap our room key to the top corner.
Welcome. Please take your ticket.
There it goes. That was a chore. Okay, so I just parked in the Tower 2 parking garage. You guys can see that all around me. And we are on the 14th floor, baby! So we're gonna go check that out. So I just walked into the room at Dockside Inn and Suites at Universal's Endless Summer Resort at Universal Orlando. This is actually a 2-bedroom suite. We have 2 queen beds. We have an amazing view of the pool. Yes! Who doesn't love an amazing view of the pool? When you walked in, we have, of course, a full-length mirror to see how we're looking when we go out to the pool or out to the park. We gotta check and see. And of course, look. The giant surfboard. Oh, here's the better side. A giant surfboard, which is really cool. Over here, we have this amazing picnic area, like a dining area, and you can see it's like a picnic table. And we even have like a bench right over here that you can pull out. And then we have a kitchen area. We have a microwave. We have a fridge. They even already have like some plastic silverware in here for you as well, which is really nice. There's the ice machine. This is the parental suite, if you will. We have their own bed over here. This curtain is crazy, but look at this. Of course, we have the dual sinks, which is amazing. Everybody loves dual sinks. We have a bathroom as well. which has a rain shower, which is nice. It's a bathroom. It's really nice. I like it. Now you need to make sure you take your room key and actually put it into the slot, otherwise the lights will not turn on. So we're gonna put it into the slot right over here. And now, voila, we have light. We are in the main lobby of Dockside Inn and Suites, and this is one of the newest resort hotels in all of Universal Orlando. Is actually two brother-sister hotels. We have Surfside Inn and Suites and Dockside Inn and Suites. Let's take a quick tour of the lobby and all the places that you can eat while on your Universal Orlando vacation. Behind me is the Vacation Planning Center. So Universal does it a little bit different with Disney, whereas everything with Disney is kind of uploaded on My Disney Experience. If you have special ticketed events and to pick up your theme park tickets, your express passes, you can actually go to the Vacation Planning Center and actually pick up all that information, everything that you need for your Universal Orlando vacation. And if you book your reservation like last minute Lucy, this is where you can get your special Harry Potter themed keepsake luggage tags and box and all that jazz. So I was just talking to my friend Lauren over here, and I was like, can I please see a Harry Potter keepsake box? Because I want to show all of you guys. When you get the special Wizarding of World Harry Potter vacation package, they have one for Florida residents and non-Florida residents. You get this keepsake box, and then when you open it up, you have this little pamphlet that has all this information about the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. And then you have these really cool luggage tags. This is Hermione, Harry, because of the glasses, right? And then we have Ron, who has really, really red hair. And then you also have these amazing keepsake lanyards to hold your tickets in and all your goodies in. So that is really fun and amazing. Back over here in the corner, we actually have the luggage center. Okay, so this is actually where you can check your luggage if you're gonna go to the parks before actual check-in time, which is 4 p.m. Or if you're gonna spend the last final day at the parks and you wanna leave your luggage after you check out, you can do that right over there. What would a Universal Orlando vacation be if you didn't check out some of the amazing merchandise at the Universal Orlando store? So this has a really, really, really nice store. Now, my personal thing that I think everybody should get on their Universal Orlando vacation is you gotta get a wand, and you gotta get one that has one of these gold labels on it, because that means it's an interactive wand. And I don't see any silver labels because that means it's from the Fantastic Beasts instead of Harry Potter. But we have a whole YouTube video where we show you how to use interactive wands in Diagon Alley and Hogsmeade. You can check out that video right up there. And of course, you can't start your day at the parks with some pick-me-up caffeine and coffee, am I right? So of course we have a Starbucks inside Dockside Inn and Suites too. Now we are in the fitness center of Dockside Inn and Suites. You guys know I gotta get my workout on even when I'm on vacation. I don't ever skip a day. So this gym has quite a few treadmills, which is really, really nice. So if you want to get that cardio in, they do have a few weight machines over here. But the real testament is, do we have some good free weights? Yes, it does look like we have some good free weights. It doesn't look like the free weights go up past 50. But we do have free weights. And then we have some more cardio over here. We have a lot of ellipticals, which is great. And then we have some bikes over here too. So a decent gym. And you have some space over here to do your Shaun T or Max 30. But you guys, if you guys have not watched the Cabana Bay Beach Resort walkthrough, that has the best fitness center in all of Universal Orlando Resort hotels, because it's the Jack LaLanne Fitness Center, and that is amazing. We're over here at the Pier 8 Market. Now this is where you're gonna get almost all of your quick service dining options in one location. They have so much food here. It's absolutely insane, all the choices they have here. We're gonna start over here because you guys know I'm bread fans. Cinnamon rolls are like my thing. See that we have all these amazing pastries for the morning breakfast. Over here we have all of our cakes. Look at all of those cakes. That is insane, all the cake choices that you have over here. All of these sandwiches are cold sandwiches and they all come with chips. We have some salads over here that you can get. So we have our salad bar. All of these sandwiches are actually will be like warmed and heated up for you over here. You gotta have the burger station, right? We got the classic burger station over here. So you have the options of French fries, tater tots, or onion rings. Of course, we have an entire pizza station as well, which is really awesome. All these different pizzas right over here. Now you can actually order these pizzas for room delivery as well. We got gravy, mashed potato, chicken, and mac and cheese, and corn. This is like mom's station over here. Guys, this is amazing. It's so much food down here. Check out the pool situation here at Dockside Inn and Suites. Now there's actually two pools. There's one on either side, and you can see this pool is really amazing. It's just a big pool, but it's amazing. They have a bar back over here, the Wave Makers, and in the bar, all of the drinks are actually named after old slides from Wet n Wild. So when you guys come out here and check out the drink menu, everything is named after old slides from Wet n Wild, because that's what this used to be. Two really quick good things about this pool. I don't know why I like this. They have random fountains over here in the corners. I think that's cool. I don't know. And then they also have over here, they have sand. So you can actually lay out on the sand over here, which is really cool as well. See, sand, yay! It makes you feel like you're more at the beach. So now I'm on the bus and I'm gonna head to City Walk. We're gonna see how long it takes to actually get there. Yesterday it took about 15 minutes. By the time I got on the bus, we left and we got over to City Walk. Last night there was about a 30-minute wait once the parks closed to get back to our resort hotel, but they had a ton of buses coming, which was really, really nice. Normally it's the plastic seats, but hey, I'm not complaining. This is a great way to start off the morning. So it took probably about 15 minutes, maybe less, and now we're already headed up to the security at City Walk, and you basically just walk up the stairs and you're right there, and we already got the music pumping. Oh yeah, for a good day. One of the things that they are most known for over here at Dockside Resorts is their breakfast pizza, and it basically has like egg and sausage, and even the staff here, like when I checked in with Maya yesterday, she was like, you guys have to do the breakfast pizza. So when you guys are here, you gotta start off your day with some of that breakfast pizza. Now you actually have 3 options to check out. Number 1, you can go to the front desk. Why you would do that, I do not know. We live in the age of internet and smartphone apps and everything else, so I don't know why you would do that. You can also do it through your television. Okay, so that's easier, but the easiest way is just to respond to your email, and it's so easy, and I'll show you guys exactly what that looks like. You'll go to your email address, and you should have a message that says check out now, and right here it says those are your 3 options to check out, but we're just gonna do check out now, and we're gonna open this up and check out. They found a reservation, yay! So we're gonna approve the payment, and amazing. So there we go, we're all set, and we'll check out, and you're all done. It's that easy. Now, of course, Laura and I and all the other genies at Magicland Vacations would absolutely love to grant your Disney and Universal destination vacation wishes. If you go to our website, you can actually check out all the destinations that we do right over here. You can also schedule a complimentary consultation with one of our amazing Disney and Universal travel planning experts. And Laura, why don't you tell them how can they sign up for one of our amazing giveaways?
You join our VIP Facebook group, you can join there. You can also go to our website and click on the link to our 10 favorite hacks and tricks for Disney and Universal, and you can also go there.
Yes, absolutely. And don't forget, we have some more amazing Disney and Universal video content for you to watch as well. We have a video right here and a video right here, and make sure you check the links in the description where you can figure out where to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.